Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening the workbook and navigating to the sheet you want cleared. Once there, press Ctrl+A twice to ensure every cell is selected. This avoids missed rows. Make sure any auto filter is off. Click Data Filter if a funnel icon is active. You should also remove external selection highlights so you see the full grid. Starting with a full selection prevents hidden cells or filtered rows from remaining, and it sets up the single, definitive clear action you'll perform next. With the whole sheet selected, go to Home, choose Clear, then Clear All. This removes values, formulas, and most formatting in one go. Once done, remove shapes, charts, and images by using Find and Select Objects, then press Delete. Visuals often persist otherwise. Next, clear conditional formatting via Home Conditional Formatting Clear Rules, and remove data validation from Data Validation Clear All. These steps ensure nothing hidden or rule-based remains on the sheet, so it's truly empty. Finish by checking Name Manager for lingering named ranges or references. Delete any tied to the cleared sheet. Save a backup copy with Save As so you can revert if needed. Also, inspect Excel's queries and connections and any external links that might repopulate data. Remove or disable them. If content reappears, make sure hidden sheets aren't restoring values, and look for macros in the VBA editor. These final checks lock in the cleared state and prevent automatic repopulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.